With the luxurious features of regular classrooms these days, most parents had approved a latest kind of program that will develop their little kids with decreased money clip. This avenue is known as homeschooling. Mostly, homeschooling is an enormous agent for moms who cannot economically adapt to the rapid pocketbook of enrolling their kids to junior high schools. Dads who selected for homeschooling had committed to give instruction their children in their own home, where they can monitor and leverage the cost needed in their children's learning. Without doubt, moms who opted for homeschooling are deeper justly and doctrinally worried. They believe that most kindergartens nowadays can no longer meet the required befitting learning wanted by their youth. Most dads persist that it would be better to give instruction their youngsters at home sweet home where they can conduct their youth's learning. In a general classroom, there are many instances that the curriculum given by the establishment is, greater routinely than not, a deviance from the upstanding standards of the community. However, it does not go to show that deciding for homeschooling as a model chosen because not all of the core curriculum fitted for homeschooling are created akin. Consequently, it is still noteworthy that dads should be able to differentiate a good homeschooling study from those that will only waste your bucks. Here's how to do it. 1. Connection and sociable elements. A good homeschooling general education should put greater attention on socialization and contact. Since the children are mostly at home while schooling their lessons, it is simplest if a homeschooling course of study be acquainted with agendas for communication and societal with other little kids. 2. Adjustability. It is noteworthy for a homeschool curriculum to be adaptive. It should not compel you to stick to their approach even if you identify out in the end that it will not work for you and your kids. A good homeschooling course of study should let you modify if there are things that need to be modified. 3. Comfortable and agreeable. It is extremely noteworthy that the homeschooling curriculum that you will opt for is merited for you and your child. You should both be warm with the curriculum. Even if the manner sounds too good to miss, as tireless as you and your mere child are not agreeable with it, then it will never work for both of you. All things considered, if these 3 considerations are present in the general education of the homeschooling technique that you grasp chosen, the style will work for you. If not, then it was never good enough to ready up your son or daughter's knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.